Right, so this is a lightning map. It's a bit, it's not very high definition, but you see there's 3 dots there. Now there's 5. The more you zoom in, the more dots, but the less. See, the map just fucking, it's not good quality. But anyway, one of those dots, oh, where's the other dots gone now? Oh, this map's silly. Anyway, there was a dot right on top of my bus, which is near that dot there. There's like 5 strikes there. So yeah, I just got hit by fucking lightning.
Right, I found something, well, sort of interesting. See, the earth has been blown clean off that little lightweight transformer that I use to power LED lights. You see, that should have an earth in it. And you see the nut and the screw there has gone. Now, I don't know where it's gone, but it's nowhere straight down. So it must have bloody... Anyway, for it to bloody blow out an earth like that, so this transformer's fucked now, but luckily it was the only thing turned on in the whole bus. Well, it was the only circuit operating at the time because I had an LED light running. So even if I was running off batteries, anyway, the battery wasn't connected. I just disconnected it last night luckily, because at least the big ass electrical current didn't go through the bus batteries, because buying new ones of them would suck. So yeah, out of it. So anyway, I had to run up there about 60 metres or so past the mess, past the shed, to turn, because I've got a couple of RCDs, residual current devices, between here and the main switchboard. And so oh look, there's another earth blown out of it. So the old electricity there must have, anyway, it was raining heaps and the bus is earthed to the ground. And the roof now leaks quite badly. So the metal roof, anyway, so there's a bit of, yeah, alright, I'm going to go, that's enough for now. Quite interesting though. Well, that thunder just shook the bus again. Bugger.